Hi, second grade, it's Mrs. Grandy, and today we're going to be finishing up Unit 13 with Lesson 5, Choosing Appropriate Tools. In the last two units, in Unit 12 and Unit 13, we've talked about measuring tools. We've talked about centimeter rulers, inch rulers, feet, yards with a yardstick, meters for a meter stick. We've also learned how to use a number line to add and subtract. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at a few problems just to see what tool we would use if we needed to use a measuring tool, or if we can just use paper and pencil to find our answers. So let's start at number 1. And number 1 says, Sarah cut 19 centimeters of ribbon into 2 pieces. One piece is 11 centimeters long. How long is the other piece? What tool could we use? That's right, we can use a centimeter ruler. We can use a centimeter ruler. But we still need to write our equation. So we know that one piece of ribbon is 11 centimeters. The total is 19. Do we need to add or subtract? We're getting bigger, so we're going to add. Very good. Now, let's draw a number line. We're going to have 20, 15, 10, 5, and 0. Now remember, we have the ones in between. Okay? So we need to get to 19, which is right here. That's 19. And the 11 is right there. So let's count how many spaces we need to move to the right from 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We need to move 8 spaces to the right. So 11 plus what equals 19? Right. The answer is 8. Let's take a look at another problem. We're going to look at number 3. It says Marcel jumped 39 centimeters high. 39 centimeters high. Jamal jumped 48 centimeters high. How much higher did Jamal jump than Marcel? What tool would we not use? If we're talking about centimeters, what would we not use? Right, we would not use a yardstick. We can use a centimeter ruler, but we're not going to use a yardstick. Okay, how much higher did Jamal jump than Marcel? So first, let's put how high did Jamal jump? He jumped 48 centimeters. Marcel jumped 39. We need to figure this out. Are we going to add? Are they asking us how many centimeters did they jump in all? No, they're asking us how much further or higher did Jamal jump than Marcel. So we need to subtract. Okay. We need to subtract. How are we going to do this? We need to get from 48 to 39. We could line our numbers up, or we could do a number line. Let's make this 50. We're going to do our fives, okay? 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Okay. Now we have to put our 4 lines in between. Because those are all worth 1, like we said in the last lesson. Okay, so we need to put 48 on the number line first. Okay. Where is 48? Let's change the color of our pencil here. Let's make it red. 48 is right here. Okay. Now we need to subtract 39. Okay. I think that's the best way to do it. Where's the number 39 on this number line? Here's 39. Would it make sense for us to take 48 and subtract 39 the whole way down? Or should we take the number 39 and see how many more we need to get to 48? Right. Let's count up from 39. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. How many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does that sound right? I think it does. 9. We know it's not 10 because from 38 to 48 is 10. So from 39 to 48 is 9. So Jamal jumped 9 inches more than Marcel. We could use a centimeter ruler to figure it out. We could subtract up and down. We could take the number 48 and subtract 39 the whole way to the left. Or we can start at the number 39, count up to 48, and we would get 9. So there were a couple different ways to do this problem. Okay, so second grade, in these 2 units, in Unit 12 and Unit 13, we've been talking all about measurement. Sometimes when we solve a problem, we have to use tools like a ruler or a yardstick, inches, feet, yards, or centimeters, or meters. Sometimes we want to use a number line and count up. Sometimes we want to use a number line and count down. Sometimes it's easier just to add and subtract using paper and pencil straight up and down. I hope this has helped, and I will see you again soon whenever we start Unit 14.